In this video, I will show you how to convert a MOV file to MP4 for free on macOS. For example, I have one file with .mov extension on the desktop and I want to convert it to the .mp4 format. Let me show you very quickly the information about this file. So here you can clearly see that this is the file with .mov extension. So let's get started and I will show you how to convert it to the MP4 format. Click on the launchpad and go to the iMovie. If iMovie is not available on your Mac, it's freely available on App Store. Just download it from the App Store. Now it will ask you for import media. Just import the media that you want to convert to the MP4 format. So I will select my file and open it. If you want to make the changes, just drag it to the below part. Now, if you want to just convert it without making any changes, click here and click on the export file. If you can't see this button on your iMovie, I will show you the alternative method as well. To click on the file menu, click on the share and click on the file. So this pop-up will appear. Click on the next. Please select the address where you want to save the file. I have selected it on the desktop and I will click on the save button. Once it's completed, it will show you here that it has been exported. So go to your desktop. If you see on the desktop, you can see the same file has been converted to the MP4 format. I will show you quickly the information of both the files. And you will see now that .mp4 is converted to the .mp4 for free using iMovie. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.